Good morning, students. Myself, Narendra Kumar Shukla, your maths teacher. Today, we will discuss about the problems of exercise 5.1. First question is, find the complement of each of the following angles. First question 1 is, find the complement of each of the following angles. Each of the following angles. First is angle of 20 degree. And second one is if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Okay? So, to get the complement of 20 degree, we subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Complement of complement of 20 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay? Same way, we can find the complement of 63 degree. Second, solution of second is complement of (63 degree) is equal to 90 minus 63 degree is equal to 27 degree. Okay? This way we find the complement of a given angle. Understood? Once again you see, to get the complement of a given angle, we subtract the given angle from 90 degree. So, we subtract the given angle 20 degree from 90 minus 20, that is 70 degree. Same way, we find the complement of 63 degree. Now, see the next question. Next question is, question number 2, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Question number 2 is, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Following angles. First is angle of 105 degree, angle of 105 degree. And second is angle of 87 degree. Okay? In this question, you have to find the supplement of these given angles. As you have read about supplementary angles, what do you mean by supplementary angles? If the sum of two given angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angle. So, to get the supplement of a given angle, we subtract it from 180 degree. So, supplement of 105 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree is equal to 75 degree. Okay? Same way, we can find the supplement of 87 degree. Supplement of 87 degree is equal to 180 minus 87. Is equal to 93 degree. Okay? This way we find the supplement of a given angle. Understood? You will solve the remaining parts of this question yourself. Now, see the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. which are supplementary. First is 65 degree and 115 degree. Second is 63 degree and 27 degree. As we know that if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, they are called complementary angle, and if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are supplementary angles. So, to check if these are complementary angles or supplementary, first we find the sum of the given angles. (65 plus 115 degree) will be how much? We will add this. We get 180 degree. Sum of these two given angles is 180 degree. So 65 degree and 115 degree are which type of angles? These are supplementary angle. So 65 degree and 115 degree are supplementary angles. Okay? Similarly, we will add these two given angles. Sum of 63 degree plus 27 degree. We get how much? 90 degree. Okay? Since the sum of these two given angles is 90 degree, so which type of angles are these? These are complementary angles. So 63 degree and 27 degree are complementary. Okay? This way we can solve the remaining parts of this question. Understood? Now, next question is question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Complement. Here we know that if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angle, and each of the angle is complement of the other. Here we are given, यहाँ पे हमें दिया गया है कि वो एंगल बताइए जो अपने कंप्लीमेंट के बराबर है. We do not know, so we suppose. Let the required angle be x. Required angle be x degree. Okay, complement of this angle is equal to itself. इसका complement भी इसी के बराबर है. ओके, complement of x degree is equal to x degree, and we know that sum of two complementary angle is how much? 90 degree. X plus x is equal to 90 degree. 2x is equal to 90 degree. Then x is equal to 90 upon 2. That is equal to 45 degree. Okay, value of x is how much? 45 degree. So our required angle which we are asked is how much? 45 degree. Means complement of, and complement of 45 is how much? 45 degree, because 45 plus 45 90 degree. So our answer is the angle which is equal to its complement is 45 degree. Okay, now second question is of the same type. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. You can do yourself. Now we move to the next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is find the angle, in the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and 2 are supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Figure is like this. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles both the angles still remain supplementary. Still remain supplementary. Here the figure is given here, angle 1 and angle 2, and we are asked if angle 1 is decreased. अगर एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज किया जाए तो एंगल 2 में क्या चेंज होगा कि दोनों सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल बने रहें. ओके, इफ एंगल 1 इज डिक्रीज, अगर एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज किया जाएगा तो एंगल 2 में क्या चेंज होगा? एंगल 2 विल इंक्रीज इन द सेम मेजर. जितनी मात्रा में एंगल 1 को हम डिक्रीज करेंगे उतनी ही मात्रा में एंगल 2 इंक्रीज होगा. ओके, सो आवर सॉल्यूशन विल बी angle 2 will increase in the same measure as angle 1 decreases. As angle 1 decreases. ओके, जितनी मात्रा में हम एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज करेंगे उतनी ही मात्रा में एंगल 2 इंक्रीज होगा. ओके, now next question, see the next question, question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are first acute, second obtuse, and third is right? Can two angles be supplementary? Two angles be supplementary if both of them are first acute, second obtuse, and third is right. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है? कैन टू एंगल्स बी सप्लीमेंट्री? क्या दोनों एंगल्स सप्लीमेंट्री होंगे? इफ बोथ ऑफ देम आर एक्यूट। अगर दोनों एंगल एक्यूट एंगल हैं तो क्या वे सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल होंगे? नो, बिकॉज to become supplementary angle their sum must be how much? 180 degree, and if both the angles are acute their sum will be less than 180 degree. Solution first, no, because their sum will be, because their sum will be less than 180 degrees. Less than 180 degrees. And to become supplementary, their sum must be how much? 180 degree. In case of both the angles acute, their sum will be less than 180 degree. Okay? Second case is obtuse. If both the given angles are obtuse angle, then can they be supplementary? If both the angles are obtuse angle means both angles are more than 100. Both angles are, sum of the both angles will be more than 180 degree. Okay? So if both the angles are obtuse, they also cannot become supplementary. No, because their sum will be more than 180 degree. अगर दोनों एंगल्स का सम 180 के बराबर होगा तभी वो सप्लीमेंट्री होंगे, अदरवाइज मोर देन 180 हो जाएगा तो दे कैन नॉट बिकम सप्लीमेंट्री, बिकॉज देयर सम will be more than 180 degree. Okay? Next part is right. If both the given angles are right angle, means both angle, measure of both the angles is 90 degree. So they will be supplementary because sum of 90 degree and 90 degree will be 180 degree. In third case, yes, because their sum will be how much? 180 degree. Will be 100 degree. Okay? Understood? Now we will discuss the remaining parts, remaining questions of this exercise in the next lecture. That's all for the day. Thank you very much.